Hello guys, welcome to Solo Dev Studio. Today in this video we're going to learn that how you can replace your LYRA 3D model or 3D character with your own 3D character. For that you first need to add a 3D model which you going to replace with the LYRA character. For this video I am using a free 3D model from Fab. You can also use it. Go to fab.com and search Sci-Fi Troop Man. This model is completely free and you can use it for your LYRA project. To replace the LYRA 3D model with your own character, you need to retarget the LYRA animation to this 3D model. For that you need to go to content browser. You need to select content, then go to character folder, then go to heroes and select the mannequin UE4 because the model are using the UE4 skeleton mesh. Here you need to go for animation and right click this ABP UE4 mannequin retarget. What it does is that it will retarget all the animation to your 3D model. Once you click the retarget animation, you need to select the source skeleton mesh, which is SK mannequin, and in target skeleton mesh you need to select the sci-fi trope 3D model. After that select the first animation, this, and export retarget asset and make a new folder and name it anything as you prefer and export it. I have already done it once, so I'm not doing it again. First time importing your 3D model, you must need to do this to retarget all the animation for your sci-fi trope model. Once the animation is retarget, you need to go to content browser, go to character folder, cosmetics, and simply you can go to the menu, select the mesh component, and once you have selected the mesh component you can replace your character here. You can select the sci-fi trope easily and this will replace the LYRA character with your sci-fi trope model, but it is not a good practice. The safest and simple way is to duplicate your bmany and name it as you prefer. Once duplicated, double click your uh, blueprint, click the mesh component and select the model, and then you need to select the animation blueprint. Search UE4 and select the UE4 mannequin retarget and simply compile it. After compilation, if you don't see your 3D model replaced, don't worry, it is actually replaced successfully. You can see here. Now you need to change the or replace the your blueprint with bmany. For that you need to double click the pick random character, and after that you simply need to search this select node. I have created my own blueprint for my own project, but you simply need to replace this true with your own uh, blueprint you have created. And you can also select this part for enemy, or if you want all character to be replaced. One disadvantage of this is that you cannot specifically target your own team, or enemy team. For that, to retarget a specific team, you need to create this blueprint. You can pause this video and create this blueprint. Now to test it, you can simply search for bot spawner, not this B survival bot spawner, but the bot spawner which LYRA is actually using for your project. You can uh, change this value to 0 and then go to this three dots, select player number 2 and change it to play as listen server, and then you can test it for both your own self and for your from your enemy side. This blueprint you can actually swap your sci-fi troop for both enemy and for your own team also, which is very helpful. If you want to create this different materials for same model, you can go to your blueprint, select the mesh component, and you can change the material elements from here. You can change as you want, and then you need to replace your blueprint in pick random character. One important thing, if your character is a UE5 skeleton mesh, you can go to character, uh, heroes and mannequin, and then animation, and search for BP mannequin retarget. You can right click and retarget the animation. Here you will select SK Many and the model you want. The sci-fi trope model is actually UE4 skeleton mesh. If you don't actually know which animation you need to retarget, is it a UE4 or a UE5 skeleton mesh, you need to go for your character skeleton mesh, double click your skeleton mesh, and if you see spine 3 only here, spine 1, 2 and 3, this means you need to retarget the UE4 animation, and if you have spine 4 and 5 also, you need to target the UE5 animation. If this video was helpful, do like and subscribe and follow for more informational videos.